Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open a website in Firefox on Linux using Terminal. Open Terminal. Now type Firefox, Firefox, space. Now type the website URL. I'm going to give you guys 3 different examples. The first one I'm going to do is youtube.com. So I'm going to type https://YouTube, youtube.com, and press enter. As you can see, as soon as I do that, it opens youtube.com in Firefox. I'm going to go ahead and close that. The next one I'm going to show you is DuckDuckGo. So again, you're going to type Firefox, Firefox, space, https://duckduckgo, duckgo.com, and press enter. As you can see, as soon as I do that, it opens DuckDuckGo in Firefox. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. And the last one I'm going to show you is amazon.ca. So again, we're going to type Firefox, Firefox, space, https://amazon.ca, and press enter. So as you can see, as soon as I do that, it opens amazon.ca in Firefox. I'm going to go ahead and close Terminal. So I'm going to type exit, EXIT, and press enter. So that is how you open a website in Firefox on Linux using Terminal. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.